Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 21st, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So this morning I was saying that we should be trying to get long on gold because this potentially could turn into an uptrend, which likely, if it does, would take out this high to complete like an ABC pattern. It doesn't necessarily have to go all the way up there. I mean, it could possibly end up making like a lower high. That's why we got our Fibonacci retracement out here for areas of resistance. I would at least expect it to take out this high though. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, we had a really nice fib bounce today. I actually did take it as a long down here right at the 61%. So nice little fib bounce. Hopefully now what's going to happen is it's going to now start making a series of higher highs, higher lows. Hopefully this is a wave one, this is a wave two, and we'll see a series of higher highs, higher lows in a wave three, hopefully forming one of those two patterns that I was just showing on the 4 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.